This virus is upsetting me and my homegirls because I feel like if you can't go outside, what the hell can you got? Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I am going to be doing a quarantine and chill kind of get ready with me, just showing you guys a simple look, not really a tutorial, and just kind of talking with you guys, chit-chatting about how life has been quarantining and shit over the past week because like I can't do it, baby, I can't. But yeah, just chit-chatting with y'all, seeing how y'all been, y'all seeing how I've been, and whatnot. Also, y'all, just a quick saying, I know y'all just seen my new intro. I know y'all just seen it, I know. Let me know if you guys like it down below in the comments. I posted on my Instagram story the other day how I kind of revamped my channel. I changed my profile picture, did a new banner, did a new intro, a new end card, outro, everything like that. So let me know your guys' thoughts on it down below. Yeah, y'all, I already did my brows. You know, I'm wearing sports bra, you know, got the chain on. You know, just don't comment on it. Don't comment. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Okay? So if y'all are interested in seeing me get ready to do absolutely nothing, then keep on watching. This juice is hella good. Hella good. First of all, I wanted to say a huge thank you to y'all for 4K on freaking YouTube. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so shocked. I am so happy. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support me and my content each and every day. I'm so grateful. Thank y'all so much for it. It definitely inspired me to get this content out and just keep pushing out more content, and especially to revamp my channel. As I told you guys before, I redid my whole channel. So it definitely inspired me to do that. I just want to thank you guys a lot, and your appreciation towards me and everything and support never goes unnoticed, so always know that. I wanted to do like a little mini giveaway either at 4K or 5K on my YouTube channel. I'm thinking about doing it at 5K because, you know, with all this stuff going on in the world, I don't know, like it's just kind of I did a poll on my Instagram story because I don't know if you guys know, but I do have two Twitter accounts. I have one called Flavor, and then I have one called Serena Nicole. The Flavor was originally created just as my personal Twitter account, and then the Serena Nicole is like my Twitter for like business and beauty things. I'm literally never on the Serena Nicole Twitter. Like I go on there like rarely. I'm just usually always on, what is on this brush? Oh my god, please hold. I'm usually always on the Flavor Twitter because it's just, you know, my personal whatever. I'm thinking about just deleting that Twitter because no one really seems to, you know, think I need two Twitters, neither do I. So if you guys ever go in the description box of my old videos and it says my Twitter name is Serena Nicole, I'm most likely going to be deleting that account, which is kind of sad because I've had it for such a long time and I have a lot of my influencer friends on there that follow me, so I'm gonna have to tell everybody to convert to the other Twitter. But yeah, so my Twitter from now on is most likely going to be Flava, F-L-A-V-V-A-A-A. So 2 V's, 3 A's at the end. I'll put it on the screen and it'll be in the down bar below. So yeah, just in case you guys were wondering where my Twitter went, that is why. I'm really proud of myself for redoing my channel. I'm glad I did it now because, you know, with all this quarantine happening and stuff, it's really gives me a lot of time to, you know, do a lot of things that I usually didn't have time for, because before, you know, I would have my 9-to-5 job, I would go to school on the weekdays, I would just not have too much time for social media. But now that this whole quarantine thing is happening, it kind of gives influencers an excuse to really amp up their content and, you know, revamp their channel or do whatever they have to do with all of this spare time at home. So kind of grateful for it. It sucks how we have like the circumstances behind it, but you know, the opportunities that we're given is kind of nice. Speaking of social media, follow your girl on TikTok. I know I never was really into TikTok. I literally just started getting into it. It'll be down below. I'll put it in my description box and on the screen. But follow me on TikTok. I have some pretty cool TikToks on there. Honestly, I don't really take it that serious as I do like YouTube and Instagram, but my TikToks are pretty funny, so go check them out. I just do some random ones for fun when I'm bored and whatnot, so go follow your girl on TikTok. I literally never do eyeshadow anymore, and it's so sad. Like, I miss doing eyeshadow, y'all. I do my everyday makeup for work, and then I don't wear makeup to school ever. So then the only really time I have time to do like makeup is if I'm doing it for a picture or for a tutorial or something, or if I'm going on live on Instagram. So I definitely need to start doing eyeshadow again. By the way, I'm using the Jackie Aina palette. Shout out to Miss Jackie. That's my girl. Honestly, getting ready for nothing. Love that for me. I spent like the whole day just cleaning the house with me and my mom and decluttering everything. And just kind of making the house look, you know, less cluttered, because especially, you know, spring cleaning, perfect time to clean up the house and get rid of a lot of shit that you don't need. Yo, what I've learned from having a lot of shit is to not be a hoarder. Don't be a hoarder, because there are people out there who don't have things, so it's really nice to like donate things if you have like a local shelter or like Goodwill near you to donate things. Even if you know you need to sell things, like if you don't want something and you need the money for it, hey, go ahead and sell it. Just don't be a hoarder. Get rid of a lot of things that you don't need. You know, try to live a more, I at least try to live a more, I don't know how to say it, like a, not a simple, but like a, oh, I forgot the word, oh my god, minimalistic. That's the word. A more minimalistic, minimal lifestyle. Everybody can't live it, I get it. But you know, every now and then it's always good to, you know, go through your things, make piles for donations, piles for things you want to give away to family and friends, or even piles that you want to sell stuff. Like, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with it, baby. This time is a good time to really learn about yourself. Take a lot of time for self-care. You can learn a lot about yourself just by sitting at home. Honestly, you don't have to be on your phone all day. I get it, a lot of people work from home, so they have to be on their computer or their devices all day. But you know, when you do have that free time, learn a lot about yourself. You can honestly go take a bath, read a book. You can freaking do a puzzle. You can play crossword. You can do a new hairstyle. You can start doing new makeup looks, get into makeup, start doing your own nails. There's literally so many things, so many hobbies that people can learn and like find out that interest them. So don't waste it. Don't nap all day. I know it's so cool like to just have free time and nap all day, but don't do that. Make sure you're actually being productive during this time, because when you are going back to work or back to school, you're going to wish that you had done this when you had the time to do so. So make sure you're just really productive. Wake up, make up your bed, you know, do some things that, you know, are going to make you happy at the end of the day. Because you know, just sleeping your whole day away is not going to do much at all for you. If you have a goal, you need to chase it, and in order to chase it and to get that goal done, you got to put in the work, because if you don't, it's not going to get done. It's just not. Sorry, I had that little preach moment or whatever, but I just had to let y'all know, don't be lazy. This quarantine is not the time, not the time. All right, I'm just gonna put on my foundation. I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. I put this one on the outside because it's a little bit darker. Then I put a lighter one on the inside. This one is golden. In the center, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. This one's in the shade Cafe. And you got an ass so fat that I can't help but feel low. You ain't like some other hoes. Just in case you didn't know. Also, you guys, I also wanted to mention that I did apply for this year's Sephora Squad. As you guys know, some of you may know, I applied last year and I actually made it as a semi-finalist. And the applications are out again, so I definitely applied for that. So basically what the Sephora Squad is, it's kind of a year-long partnership, not kind of, it is a year-long partnership with a Sephora brand. A lot of people were confused and thought that I was going to be working in Sephora, like the store, but no, it's a brand partnership, like a ambassador basically. So I would be like creating content for them and you know, brand activities, different things for my all like beauty career. I applied again this year. I'm crossing my fingers, praying that I make it as a semi-finalist and a finalist. If you guys would like to help me out in this application process and make my application a little bit more like stand out and a lot more credible, I would definitely recommend you go to my Instagram bio, Serena MUA, or Serena_MUA with 4 A's, and go in my bio and click the link. And that link will take you directly to the site where you can submit a testimonial for me. So all you have to do is put in your email and then you write a testimony. It doesn't have to be too long, a whole novel. You can literally write 3 sentences on why you enjoy my content, why you enjoy me, why you like watching me, all that good stuff, and it will boost my application status. So I would really appreciate it if you guys would do it. I'll leave the link down below in the down bar just in case you guys don't want to go on Instagram, or if you guys don't have an Instagram. And also, if you send me a screenshot or a DM of some sort that you left me a testimonial, then I will enter you into a giveaway that I'm doing. So make sure you guys do that to be entered in the giveaway. So the application ends on, I believe, March 30th. So make sure you guys do it before March 30th. Submit me a testimonial, because after that time, I believe the testimonials will be stopped. So make sure you guys do leave me a testimonial before March 30th if you guys would like. And everyone's talking about, you know, The Weeknd's new album, but I hate to say this, it might sound ridiculous, but I have not been a fan of The Weeknd. I just never really have.
Sorry to this man.
His music doesn't really like speak to me. Like, I'm not really a fan of it. I know some of y'all are The Weeknd stans, so do not come for me in the comments. But I don't know, I just never really like fucked with his music like that. Now Janae's new album, Chilombo, that is my shit. I love her new album, Happiness Over Everything, Pussy Fairy, and Morning Doves, and No BS have literally been my favorites. I love them. If you guys haven't heard Janae's new album, Chilombo, then go listen to it, because it's fucking fire and you will cry yourself to sleep a couple of times out of the week. Just saying. Y'all, recently everyone's been asking me about my lashes, and the lashes I've been wearing are the Dodo lashes in the style D338. They're really wispy. I actually stacked 2 pairs together just because my eyes are pretty big and one pair was kind of not enough volume for me. But yeah, it's D338 from Dodo Lashes. They actually have a United States warehouse now. So yeah, you guys will get your shipments very much so faster and more like efficient. You guys can use code Serena Nicole to save money on your lashes. I think these are like 10 or 12 bucks a pair. But yeah, they last me super duper long. I've had them for months. So yeah, sis, use my code. It'll always be down below, baby. Period. Y'all see how much lashes make a difference in your look? Like, sis, you could literally have a whole look, everything beat to the gourds, but if you don't have a pair of lashes, like, are you really that bitch? Are you really that bitch? Let's just take a step back and ask yourself that first. Also, y'all, I know I mentioned Jhené Aiko's new album, but literally Tink's new album has been my shit too. Like, I literally can listen to the whole thing and not skip a song. I'm literally obsessed with it. So if you haven't heard Hopeless Romantic, Tink's new album, definitely go check it out because it's been my jam. Kind of want to take my Anastasia glow kit. This is the That Glow Kit. They don't sell it anymore. Not the That Glow Kit, just the regular glow kit, the Ultimate Glow one. They definitely don't sell this anymore, I don't think, unless you get it on like eBay or something. But yeah, it's literally my favorite, so sorry. Do y'all see that? Like, oh my gosh, I don't know why I ever stopped using this palette. It's literally amazing. Hella people say it's like chunky and too glittery, and I'm like, sis, if you don't like glittery highlights, then what are you doing with your life? Please let a sis know. If you guys want to be glowy and if you don't have like a lot of texture, when you smile, put some highlight on the apples of your cheeks, so the highlight doesn't just stop right there, so you can see it like right there. I'm gonna blend it, don't worry. And then when you smile, you can see it right there. So I love how that looks. Obviously, this technique will not work for everyone. A lot of people don't like highlighter on their cheeks, especially if you have a lot of texture and whatnot. But if you don't and you want to try it out, or if you do, hey, do what you gotta do. Try it out. It's cute or whatever. And then what I do is I take some and put it on these sides of my nose, because when you like take a picture, like you can see the little glow. Like right here, it's just plain like boring. But like right here, it's like, oh shit, like she's that bitch. Who are we? We are that bitch.
Who are you? Who are we? We are that bitch. Okay.
Alright, I think we're almost done, y'all. Oh my god. And then before I do my lips and finish off the look, what I've been doing recently is, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have like 2 tiny little moles underneath of this eye, and they obviously get covered up by makeup and stuff unless you're really up close to me. So recently what I've been doing is bringing them hoes out to play. So I just take a little bit of liner and do 2 little dots on top of them just so they stand out a bit more. And I just go over them with a little bit of brown eyeshadow, just so they don't stand out too much and they don't look like a straight black dot. But I definitely made them stand out a bit more, especially if you're looking close to me. You can definitely see that I have a couple of moles under my eye. Alright, y'all, and the last step is lips. You guys know I have my favorite lip combo. I use 2 lip pencils from ColourPop. First one is BFF3. I love this one because it's like a little bit darker than my actual skin tone, but it still makes my lips stand out and pop. Literally running out of this one. I have a couple backups, but I just like to get all the product out of this one first, so I have to shake it sometimes so it kind of gets to the tip. I'm gonna sharpen this hoe. Got me fucked up. Okay, then I take a little bit of BFF4, the lip liner in collaboration with Makeup Shayla. and I put a little bit on. Then you guys know my favorite lipstick. This one is discontinued. MAC, please, if you ever see this video, MAC Cosmetics, please bring back a Girls Got Needs. It's literally my favorite lipstick, and it's literally nothing's in there. I have to take an eyeshadow brush and scrape the rest out. So please bring this joint back. Please, I'm begging you. Please. It's like the perfect nude for my skin tone, not too warm, not too cool. Another one of my favorites, I think it's discontinued too, but it's the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collab in More Creamer Please. That lipstick is also really pretty. I've been digging the matte lip look lately, so maybe I'll keep it like this. Oh, we'll see. Then I'm just gonna spray my face with some Morphe spray, and the look is done, hoes. Alright, you guys, this is the end of my quarantine and chill. Get ready with me, kind of like a chit chat with y'all, doing my makeup. Y'all know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do hope all of you guys are safe, healthy, happy out there, being productive. I hope that whatever is going on in your life is, you know, starting to become better. I know everything's sad in the world right now, but you know, just know we're all in this together. As a world, the world is going through this epidemic together. So I hope you guys are staying safe, wash your hands, stay out of the streets, you feel me, and stay that ass home. I'm not playing with y'all. Y'all better stay strapped. Period. Be sure to follow me on all my social media sites. They'll be linked down below in the down bar. You guys know the drill. And also follow me on my Twitter account, the Flava account, since the old one will soon be getting deleted, unfortunately. And also follow me on my TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, sis. We at 4K. Thank y'all so much. I'm so grateful, and I love you all so much. That being said, again, I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right, bye guys.